Hello guys and welcome back to our channel DestinyWorld Unlimited, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make garland, like a balloon garland.
Hello guys and welcome back to our channel DestinyWorld Unlimited, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a balloon garland. It's do-it-yourself, and I got this item from Amazon and it's $6.99. But online, a made balloon garland costs like $50 and up. So it's gonna be a start for a business for you or your personal sample party. The balloon I made during Destiny's birthday. It's just a sample, and we don't have so much time, so guys, yung ginawa natin is just simple and so easy to make, and I will teach you step by step how to do it. Let's go. This is what inside the package, and I will show it to you one by one. So we got 30 pieces 10-inch pink balloon, 20 pieces 10 inches gold balloons, and we also have the nutter, or the one that you're gonna use to knot the balloon easier. And we also have 17 feet balloon strip and a glue dots. You have an option if you want to use an electric balloon pump or manual. So guys, to use the nutter, just wear it like this as shown on the video, and then put the tie tool on your fingers, stretch the balloon mouth, wrap the balloon's mouth. So guys, we're just gonna wear the tie tool like this, put it around on your finger. This is gonna be helpful, especially if you have so much balloons or too many balloons that you need to. So for step 2, stretch the balloon mouth, wrap the balloon mouth around the tool, dot the balloon mouth into the slot, and then slide the nut off the bottom of the tie tool. That's all right. That's it. So easy and so wow, RD said.